Here are two very quiet Payne PA13s at townhomes in my aunt's neighborhood. This one's for a vacant one, and that one's for someone living there. Both 2-ton units. Copeland-Scrolls. Nice view of that. Payne. GE fan. 2-blade. It's not running, it looks like an ICP, dark colored. 2007 2-ton R4 10A. This looks like it hasn't been running for a while. R4 10A. Review back there. Stretch alarm looks good and sweaty. Also 2007 2-ton R4 10A. PA3A. It's the equivalent of the Carrier CA13NA. Very quiet units. Nice. 2-ton units. It's very, very quiet. And they're both matched up to Payne gas furnaces because I've actually been in this townhome. Got it, guys. So, two quiet 2007 Payne PA13 air conditioners running. So I'll get you a shot of them. That's it. So, thanks for watching.